Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we have a special video. All of you guys keep asking me about the HDMI 2.1 cable connecting like your laptop to your monitor, like 240 Hz, 140, 160, whatever it may be. And I always say it's not gonna work because I only tried it with the HDMI, but today I finally got a HDMI 2.1 cable. So we're gonna see if it works, and I think it is gonna work because on the Chinese app, which is Pinduoduo, like it literally showed me that, and this is the first time I checked, it showed me that you can buy specific cables for specific refresh rates. I just thought the cap was 60 or 120, but you can even get like 144, 140, 180, and 240 hertz, which obviously, because I have a 240 monitor, that's the one that I got. And the fact that it says U green on top, I'm like having kind of confidence because the DP 1.4 cable that I use has U green on it as well. I think it's the same company brand. So yeah, I just opened it from the plastic. It still has this, wait, it still has, bro, it still has this plastic on it, so I literally have not opened it yet. I don't know what it looks like. It's probably gonna look like a normal HDMI cable, but this is what it says. It says HDMI 8K. I think for this one it said the 8K version can only go to 120 hertz, but the 4K, like when you put the mode to 4K, it goes to 240. So obviously I'm gonna use the 4K version, and it also gives you other options over here like PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, yada yada yada. But I have a laptop, so I don't care about those stuff. Oh, damn, the packaging is not really the packaging is not really that special. I thought it was gonna be like more fancy, but basically this is the cable. I got the shortest version. I didn't know it was gonna be this short, but I'm gonna open it like this because but anyway, yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be this short, but I think it should be. Oh boy, I don't know if it's gonna be long enough to connect. Oh boy, I got the shortest cable. But anyway, I'm gonna try to connect it, and yeah, it says 8K over here, and we're gonna connect it, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. I literally just plugged it. Wait. So I literally just plugged it in, and the first thing I noticed is the color. It's like kind of grayish, but I'm gonna try and tweak that settings first. Then I'm showing you guys from the external point, because if I use like OBS to show you guys, it's gonna look normal, but like what you're seeing with your eyes, it's kind of gray. So I'm on my PC right now. I didn't change any setting yet. It's still 60 hertz. I'm going to go to display settings. It's still super gray. I'm not sure why. That's the difference still with the Type C and the DP 1.4. I don't know. For now, the DP 1.4 still looks good. HDMI 2. Everything is at 60 hertz. Now let's see if we're going to be able to go to 240 hertz, because I'll be able to see the difference obviously. Oh, keep changes. Okay, so it does work. 240 hertz does work. But apart from the 240 hertz working, I want to see in game like the FPS, the input delay. Right now I can't really see the input delay because I'm not doing anything, but I'm gonna go in Fortnite and check the input delay for you guys and check the FPS and do like a FPS test as well. But I can confirm that this one does work. But for you guys, as you can see here, but for you guys that are gonna ask me about the link and all this stuff, I can't give you a link because I live in China. I bought it here in China. I can give you the name of it. I'm gonna put it up here, but the specific link to buy the specific one I have, because I told you guys some cables are designed just for the max to be 140 or 160 or 180. This one's max is 240. So, and some HDMI 2.1 also is like just 120, like the max. But this one I specifically checked for 240. So yeah, at least we know it does work. But now we're gonna check the FPS and the input delay, and I'll be back.